Hey, right, this is Alan here. Thanks very much. And listen, if you see this and don't want to attempt it, as I said, no problem. I don't want to force anyone to do anything that they're uncomfortable with. Um, this is my second run through. I've already popped it off, and then the video cut out halfway through. So the screws are a bit loose already. So disregard that. It's not a setup. But it's literally just four screws, I should say. You can see three now. One of them, the last one, is under the stand. So if you just loosen these two, I have a magnet just to get out the screws. Then you can just lift and pull out. That's the stand gone. Then the screw, this one goes through the system board and holds it in place, but that's literally the only thing holding that in. And this one just is for the case itself and the LCD frame at the back. So just pop them out. Then to pop the actual case, so it's just kind of clipped around the edges. So the main clips are at the bottom, so it's easiest to go in at the top. Just the knife or whatever you're using should just slide under, and then you want to, I don't know how tight yours will be. I think I've snapped a few clips on mine opening up previously, but if you just want to get all you need is the tip to go in, and just slide it up towards the corners. That's where the clips are, and just pull it up, wedge it up, and it should just pop. And don't be worried about using too much pressure. It might take a little bit of resistance. I think there's one there as well. But yeah, once the top is up, once you can lift it like that, then just angle it up, and then the bottom will come free. There's clips on the bottom, but once you angle it, they angle out, whatever, you know. So that's pretty much it. That's the system board. There's nothing holding it in other than a bit of tape and these connectors. So if you start with this one, oh yeah, sorry. So I know you're unfamiliar with this stuff. So there's literally no charge in these. They're not like the old TVs, the big fat backed ones. They don't hold a big charge at all. And if yours has been turned off for a couple of weeks or even days, all the charge will have drained out of it anyway. But if you want to be absolutely sure, just hold it on, press the power button. You won't hear anything because it won't even have enough energy in it to sound the speaker. But that'll drain absolutely everything. If there's any traces of voltage left in it, it'll be gone. But like, these are the capacitors. That's the biggest one, you know. And it's nothing. They're only tiny. I replaced that one just a little while ago myself. But that wasn't the problem. Or I might have actually caused damage doing that. But yeah, so to get rid of it, you just need to pop these connectors. So you lift the black tab on this, just get your nail under it, just like that. Just pull that out then. These are clips on the side. This one is a bit melted because I'm not very good at the solder iron, but just clip it back and pull. It will come out eventually. And the same for this smaller one. And that's pretty much it then. Yeah, just this tape. Take it off. I know there's screws there, but it's not necessary to get rid of them. It's literally just this. You don't need to take the plastic frame out. Just squeeze that. There's two little clips there that'll release. Lift it up from this side. And there's some cushions underneath, so it might be a little bit sticky. But that's it. Just pull it out that way, and that's all I need really. So yeah, as I say, there's a little bit of burn damage on the back of mine, I think, so something in it must have been heating up. But yeah, that's it. If you can as well, I'd appreciate the power brick, but like, that's really all I need, just that board. So yeah, thanks very much. I hope you're comfortable doing it. If not, thanks for the attempt anyway, and cheers. See you then.